This was $4.59 a premium sandwich. Now, what I got, you know, it's understandable. Here's the first view of the burger. Right there. It's not the happiest looking sandwich, you know. This is it. The one... I'm going to do a little bit of tomato extraction here, and then I'll put it back on. You kind of see the cheese right there. It's almost clear. You know, the cheese, you hide behind it, and you can get that perfect feel of it.
Got about 3 cents.
So this is the premium garlic white cheddar burger from McDonald's going in.
Esto ya, aquí, coño, lo que yo voy a hacer con esta cabrona, caramba. Get up, come on, let's go. FBI, open up!
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn notifications on. And finally,
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.